Welcome to the second film in our Fitting Out Floors and Ceilings series, in which we take a look at exactly what the term fit out means. If we look at the process of constructing a building, we can divide it into three phases. The shell represents the load-bearing framework of a building, the envelope makes it weatherproof, and the fit-out produces an interior that is ready to be used. A fit-out is divided into two separate areas, one dealing with the non-load-bearing structure, the other with the installation of technical facilities including, for example, heating, water and electricity services. The non-load-bearing structure is further divided into floor, ceiling and walls. You already know that German standard DIN 276 construction costs breaks the elements of a building down into cost groups. Cost Group 350 describes floors and ceilings. Everything above the load-bearing slab, which is dealt with in Cost Group 352, is referred to as a floor covering. Floor coverings include all the layers above the load-bearing slab and can include screeds, insulating layers, waterproof membranes, and of course the top or wear layer on which we walk. All the layers beneath the load-bearing slab are included in Cost Group 353 and are referred to as ceiling finishes. They can range from a simple coat of paint to suspended ceilings with integrated soundproofing layers. In the system used in DIN 276, stairs are grouped together with floors and ceilings. This means that the layers above a load-bearing staircase are referred to as stair coverings, while those beneath it are called understair finishes. When designing a room or other space, it's very important to know whether the visible floor covering and ceiling finish layers are to be free of material or structural joints, that is to say, present a uniform surface. On the left here, you can see that the floor covering in our Zwickau Car Museum is a joint-free coating. On the right-hand side, you can see the joint-free ceiling finish, painted white, of our Zwickau workshop. Both surfaces have a very calming effect. Here you can see two highly structured surfaces. The photograph on the left shows the jointed floor covering in our Regensburg school, which is made of natural stone tiles. On the right, you can see the ceiling in our Leipzig laboratory, where the joints between metal cassettes are clearly visible. The structure of the surfaces divides up the spaces and gives a different impression of scale than joint-free surfaces. Summary. The fit-out is the phase of a construction project that produces an interior that is ready to be used. Fit-out is divided into two separate areas, non-load-bearing structure and technical facilities. When designing a room or other space, it's very important to know whether the visible floor covering and ceiling finish layers are to be free of material or structural joints. German standard DIN 276 deals with the fitting out of floors and ceilings in Cost Group 352 floor coverings and Cost Group 353 ceiling finishes. Our Fitting Out Floors and Ceilings series continues with film number 3, in which we take a look at the various floor coverings commonly used on reinforced concrete floors.